Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and click that bell. If you are a return viewer, I greatly appreciate your presence. Today it is December 7th, so we are on to our 7th day of nail art from Charlie's. Oh. Let's see what we have today. Nothing like a Christmas present every day of December. I think I like this. Alright, we have got some dots, maybe. Oh, neon hexagon glitter mix. So, I wouldn't call this glitter. I don't see no glitter in here. I just see, maybe, I don't know. This is a 4-gram bag. I think this is very pretty. Kind of trying to I spy what color polish to use. I have a nail here all set up. I'm going to do a little bit of buffing on it. Take the shine off. Just because it's a habit. There. It's a habit of doing because I'm doing acrylic. So I took the shine off. What color? So let me pause, grab some ponder over a polished color, and I will be back. Alright, we are back. I have painted 2 nails. This one is called Bing Cherries by Modelones. It is a mini. I think that is super cute. I love this color. Love it. Love that color. And also I did this beautiful green by Diva in a Bottle from her winter collection from last year. Well, 2020, I guess you'd say. Beautiful, beautiful color. I'll be using this for Christmas. I'll be using it. I got time. So we're going to take these hexagon mix, pour some out into my dish, and apply them to the nails in any random order. Clear these off of here so I can close it properly. Top coat. You know, for this I automatically first was going to grab for the black polish because I think it would look great over black. But this is Christmas time, and well, that's not good. Can't do black. Oh, I thought I had another one on here. I have them all over my mat. All these different colors. You can apply them in any order, which I am going to get a few out there. There's itty bitties. Oh, this is great. I can't pick them up. Just cover your nail. In any old fashion you want to do. Some of these itty bitties just crack me up. Gotta get some yellow. Oops. Alright. I do think this is cute. I mean, you could do, I guess, probably many different designs with these. I'm just gonna, you know, cover the nail. Gotta get me some more yellow. I think stuff keeps getting on my wax picker upper here and I can't see it. Pick up this one. Let me fix these. I don't want them overlapping. No overlapping. We get some colors together, and that's alright. It's gonna happen. I think that is enough for here, and I'm gonna stick that in that one in the lamp. Do the same thing with the green nail. There. There we go. Love the yellow, love these oranges. Gotta get some of the purple. Sorry, I know I keep looking at the end of my tool, but there's a few more stuck there. Spread them about. Spread them about. I might already have this mix. I'm not sure. Whoops, whoops, whoops. We got a bunch here. Try to spread these babies out a little bit. Not too much in a cluster. So I'm going to top coat these again. Give them a run each way, that way they're fully top coated. So I'm going to stick those in the lamp with them. Whoops. I think these are really, really pretty. Really pretty. So I'm going to let that one catch the tail end of that, and then I will start that back over. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. There's a full month here in December with between the 12 days of Christmas and the Charlie's Advent Calendar. With Charlie's, there's 24 days of nail art. With the 12 days of Christmas, there's 12 different nail arts, 12 different days. You know what I mean. A lot of different things going on. After the 12 days of Christmas is over, I'm probably maybe gonna pick up my She Modern Saturday and my docuseries back up. I put those on hiatus until these were over. I didn't want to be putting out 3 and 4 videos a day, so this one over because it is Christmas time, and I wanted to do, you know, the 24 different nail art. I've never done a calendar event thing before. Another top coat. I was wondering if these would need a second top coat, and they do. Just to smooth it out. Just to smooth it out. Very pretty though, don't you think? That'd be good for Easter. Not so much Christmas, but it'd be good for Easter. So it's finito with the top coat. Again, I used Big Cherries by Modelones. I think this is the black. This is black. Let's see, what did I do with it? Oh, I'm sorry about that. It's been a long time since I've had Hobble and Bobble. This is the green that I used. Beautiful. So put those two off to the side so I can put those away. We are waiting on our nails so we can give a final look-see. And you can give me your comments. Let me know what you think. I think they turned out cute. Not exactly what I would call for Christmas, but I did do the red and the green nails. I think they look cute. I think they'd be perfect for Easter. You know I have to touch them. So I think these turned out really super cute. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your feelings, your thoughts on these. Give me a thumbs up, hopefully. Let me know you liked the video. We're going to call this one a day. See you tomorrow for day 8. Have a blessed day and thank you.